Hi and welcome to Spice and Pans. My name is Roland and today we'll be cooking Marmite Pork Ribs. So let's start cooking. First we're going to marinate the ribs. This is 500 grams of pork ribs. If you do not take pork, you can always change to chicken, no problem at all. If the meat is too big, you can always cut off the excess meat. Make sure that you cut them into manageable sizes. Now we'll add in 2 tablespoons of light soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of Chinese rice wine, half a teaspoon of salt. We'll need white pepper, crushed white pepper. Mix them up a little bit first before we add in the egg white and corn flour. Now we'll add in the egg white from 1 egg and 2 tablespoons of corn flour. Mix them up well and we'll leave this in the fridge and let them marinate for at least 1 hour. So I'll see you back in a while. We'll be deep frying the pork ribs in a moment. While waiting for the oil to heat up, let us add a little bit more corn flour into here because we want a crispier outer layer. I'll be adding in another 2 tablespoons of corn flour onto the ribs. So 1 plus 1. So we'll mix this up and wait for the oil to heat up. This is how it looks like after I've added in 2 tablespoons of corn flour. It's a lot drier right now and we'll be ensured of a crispier ribs. Make sure you take the ribs half an hour out before you fry them because you want them to be at room temperature. Make sure our oil is heated up at medium heat. We will fry the pork ribs. I'll do a double fry because I want my ribs to be really crispy. Remember not to overcrowd your pan, otherwise the temperature will drop drastically and then your ribs will be very soaked in oil. We don't have to fry them for long, we just need to fry them until a light golden brown. Because basically we will be doing a double fry. This time around we just want to cook the pork. It's smelling very good already. We'll remove this batch from the oil and we'll fry the second batch. Now we'll turn the heat up to high and we'll do the double fry now. If you see a lot of bubbles, that means there's still a lot of moisture inside there. In order for it to be crispy, we have to reduce the bubbles over here. So we're going to fry this for a while. But make sure you do turn them around. We don't want to burn these ribs. I can feel that they are getting crispy already. You can feel it with your tongs over here. Look at how beautiful the ribs are. Just a while more and I think we'll be done. Okay, we'll remove this from the oil. Do not turn off the oil now, otherwise the oil will be soaked into the ribs. Just remove them. Really crispy, I can feel it actually. It smells really fantastic. So now we'll make the sauce. Heat up a pan, add in a little bit of oil. I'm going to fry 3 cloves of garlic chopped. You don't have to brown them as long as you can smell the garlic. It will be good. I'm beginning to smell the beautiful aroma that's coming out from the garlic. We'll add in some water now. 1/3 cup of water. Add in also 3 tablespoons of honey as well as 3/4 tablespoon of Marmite. If you do not have Marmite, you can always use Vegemite, no problem. Mix them up well. And turn up the heat and reduce the sauce. Add in 1 teaspoon of light soy sauce. Not too much, just 1 teaspoon will be good. Stir it up again. And we're going to check whether it's thick enough for us. Very easy, just use a spoon, put it in. Now if it cooks easily, that means it's done. Okay, I think we still need about maybe 5-10 seconds or so. So just reduce this a little bit more. Okay, we'll add in the ribs now. Make sure you mix that up well. I'm just going to give them a good toss. Now once this is done, we'll serve this dish now. Let's just give these ribs a try. Very good. So ladies and gentlemen, I hope you like our video. Do click like on our video and do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. You cannot have it. Sorry.